Hi Lennox.
Hi Daddy.
How are you today?
Good.
What are we going to build or look at today?
We have this robot vacuum, which we're gonna unpack and then test it upstairs.
Excellent. Shall we unpack it then?
Yeah.
So this is the Roomba iRobot. It's the 671. 671? Yeah. Okay. So look what we have in here.
Oh, we do.
There's an instruction manual. Very important.
Is that foam?
Is that foam?
Wait, let me see how heavy that is.
How heavy is it?
It's not that heavy for me.
Not that heavy
but
for you?
it is really heavy, but not too heavy for me too.
Not too heavy for you. Can you see what else we have in here? What's that?
A charger.
Charger. That's the electric cable. And we have the base station.
This is what gets charged. And you plug this into this somewhere. I don't know where you plug it in.
You don't know where you plug it into?
Yay. I know that's not on, so these are the wheels.
The wheels, yeah.
Well, Daddy, I think that the wheels also move.
Look what the wheels do, look. They go up and down.
Whoa, how?
So they can go up bumps and on the carpet and things like that.
That's cool.
It is
And
cool.
really good. Oh.
Be careful when you pull that piece. That piece comes off. This is where the dirt goes.
Oh, so that's how you get out?
I think that holds 300 millilitres of dirt, which is quite a lot of dirt, especially for our house. Okay.
What does this do?
Well, I think we need to find out. Should we find out?
Yeah. Can I pull it out?
I think so.
Oh, and this is what guides it in.
Yeah. Okay. So we need to plug this piece in first.
Okay.
We'll do that upstairs in a minute.
Oh, wait.
Okay. This is the base station.
Oh, so this is, so that's where you put it in?
Yeah.
I think the light here tells you when it's done.
Does it? I think that's the sensor tells you. You have to put this against a wall so that it can dock properly. And look what's there. Does that fit there?
It's in!
Okay, and
It's really easy.
we need to pull this out.
Okay, can I do that?
Can you pull it?
What? There we go.
Good job. That means it's probably ready.
Oh, this is so deep.
So Lennox, we have on here, we have the sensor with a handy handle to pick it up with. We have the clean button, the dock button, and the spot button.
Huh.
So the clean button, what do you think the clean button does?
I think that it helps you open this up.
It actually turns it on and off and makes it go clean. Ooh, I think you might be ready. The dock takes it back to the dock, and the spot, I think, means it goes round in circles.
I wonder what the spot does. We'll have to push it when we're testing it to see what it does.
And you know what's really good about this
What?
one? We can do it from our phone. So we need to go on the internet and we need to download the app, the iRobot Roomba app. And we'll go phone. We can control the phone and we can control it from.
Daddy, look. We can plug it into a wall.
We can plug it into the wall. That's what we're going to do next.
Oh.
And you can control it from Alexa and Google as well.
Wait, how do you know that?
Because I read a
This
little
is
bit about
a
it before we
long
purchased it.
wire. This is
So,
long.
shall we take it upstairs
Yep.
and plug it in and see
Yep.
what happens? All right.
Daddy,
Let's go.
Daddy, I have a really good idea. So we can put the camera on the top of it.
Which camera? Or we can put the GoPro on top of it.
Yep.
Yep.
Let's do it.
Let's do that. Okay, so we're now upstairs. We've plugged the base station in. Yes, Lennox? Where is the
Yeah.
base station?
Over here.
Okay, do you think the Roomba can fit in there? I think it can. Okay. So, let's, can you press the dock button?
What was the dark one?
The dock button is this one here.
This one?
Let's see, go back to the dock.
Oh. Oh! No! Oh, this is cool. Why did it make me trying to get me? Pick it up.
There we go. So we had to put it on the dock, didn't we, Lennox, to make it work? Okay. Now we know the camera's going to get knocked off, but we're going to put the camera on it. So, let's press, why don't you press the clean button, see what happens.
The clean button?
The big one in the middle.
Okay, the big one in the middle.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now it does need a full charge.
Ooh, wait.
it's made its way down our hallway to start with. Going into the kitchen.
Go! No. No!
You didn't need to do that, but it's okay. Good job. Alright, well, shall we leave it cleaning now and see how long it lasts?
Yep. Come on!
What do you think? What do you think of the new robot? Lennox? What do you think of the new iRobot?
I like it. Come on, not there. Not again. Good. Good. Oh, it's awful. Wait. Daddy, like, it just... Yeah, I can just pick it up. No. Oh. Nice one. Oh, I put it in
The rice.
Whoa! Now what?
Alright, it's found a spot. It's going to go round and round in circles. Now, of course, normally we wouldn't have that much rice on the floor, would we?
Nope.
Doing a good job under there. Okay, so Lennox, what are we doing this morning?
We're gonna test it again.
Test it again?
Yeah.
Okay. And we're going to put something in front of it, are we?
Yeah.
What are we going to put in front of it? Some cereal. Okay. So it's nicely charged. Let's press that big button on the front, Lennox.
There. Oh. Oh.
Turn around.
Oh, I forgot to use that. And this is the way it's gonna come out. Oh, yes! It's sweet!
Mind your toesies.
Lou sucked it up. Oh, I remember his name. Tell us that.
So Roomba's gone back home, is that right?
Yep.
And what are we going to do now?
Now we are gonna put all of the stuff that it sucked up in the garbage.
Right, let's have a look, see how we get the dirty bit out. You do it? Good job. Let's have a look. Whoa. That was our first go.
There's the jelly beans.
Yeah, Lennox put some jelly beans on the floor to see if it would pick them up. So
And it did.
It did, excellent.
The
Right.
last one, they kind of had trouble sucking
Right.
up.
So let's have a look how much. So this is one go round our house.
Yeah.
There you go. Didn't even know there was that much dirt in our house. We even swept about a day before we got Roomba. That's a lot of dirt, isn't it?
Yeah. And the other side, how much is there on the other side?
On the other side? Oh, there's lots there too.
Wait, did the sticker?
Okay, should we go put it in the garbage?
Yeah. There's red around it so that it can suck in the air, but all the stuff gets sucked in.
What are you doing now?
Now we're going to put it back in.
We'll put it back in.
Oh, and the blade actually, the little thing that sweep up, they're actually right here.
Oh, yes, so they are. All right, should we put it back?
Yep. Oh, that's the wrong way. The wrong side. Oops.
Maybe put it straight, Lennox. It's not
How
quite
do you
straight.
turn
That's it. Come on. That's it, push it in.
How do you turn it back off?
Good job. That's it, it's charging now. So, Lennox, how much do you like our new Roomba?
100 million.
100 million.
Yep.
Awesome.